Now, the World Health Organization on Wednesday granted emergency use authorization to Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. The world body said that effects of the jab on pregnant women remains uncertain, but Covaxin has so far shown at least 78% efficacy against the deadly virus. Here's more on that.
On the eve of Diwali, India has one more reason to celebrate. When WHO approved Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, giving it a global recognition. The emergency approval is a shot in the arm for India and recognition of the country's vaccine research capability. The UN agency said Covaxin met all standards of protection and that it is suitable for people above the age of 18. The vaccine should be administered at a gap of 4 weeks. WHO said the effects of the jab on pregnant women remains uncertain. Covaxin has shown 78% efficacy and is easy to store, making it suitable for low and mid-level income nations.
We at Bharat Biotech are grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister and many respected people who took the Covaxin to instill the confidence in Indian science.
WHO's emergency approval comes just 3 days after Prime Minister Modi meet with WHO chief on the sidelines of G20 summit in Rome. The approval also silences political rivals of Prime Minister Modi who have been questioning the country's vaccine program. 2 weeks ago, when India marked administration of 1 billion doses, the Congress had picked on the WHO delay, questioning if there was a defect in Covaxin.
लाखों भारतीयों ने भारत बायोटेक का वैक्सीन लगाया इसलिए कि चॉइस ही नहीं है. अस्पताल में जो वैक्सीन दी उसे वो लगवानी पड़ेगी. नाउ दे कांट ट्रेवल अब्रॉड क्योंकि ना WHO ना दुनिया का कोई और देश भारत बायोटेक की वैक्सीन को मंजूरी नहीं दे रहा.
Congress General Secretary Mallikarjun Kharge said that Covaxin approval was pending due to diplomatic delay, which was a proof of failed leadership by the Prime Minister. He also questioned India's image on the global stage. The WHO stamp of approval is a boost for the BJP. It demolishes Congress attacks on the Modi government over Covaxin. Bureau Report, India Today.